science experiment. Science! Science! Ready, Bubbles? Yeah, he's ready. Let's do some science, Yoda. Okay, so for this project, we're gonna need some vinegar, some baking soda, and I have this giant baking soda from school, a clear container, some corn, and a tray to catch any mess. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have all of my ingredients and everything I need for my science experiment. So I'm gonna take my corn kernels, and you don't need that many. If you use a lot, like it takes up a lot of room. So I'm using these old corn kernels that are meant for like chicken feed, so they're kind of really lightweight, so I don't need as many. So I'm gonna put those in the bottom. And if you're using popcorn kernel seeds, I think those work a little bit better because they're kind of heavier. So I'm gonna use these corn, what I had on hand though, and I'm gonna fill it about halfway with water. Okay, so you can see all my corn is in the bottom there. Okay, and I'm gonna do some vinegar, so I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more, probably about to there. Okay, now time for the reaction. So the vinegar and our baking soda, we use this a lot at school, and it makes a chemical reaction because the two things mix together and they make something else. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this, like less than a tablespoon, and I'm gonna pour it in here. Now, we use this a lot at school. I wonder if my friends know what might happen when we mix these two things together. We use it a lot for potions, for volcanoes, for lots of things like that. So, make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen? And if we're being scientists, we use our eyes and ears, and maybe even sometimes our nose and our hands to see and observe, which means look and watch to see what is happening. So those things, friends, too, are our senses. So we use all of our senses to find out about things when we do experiments like this. So what do you think might happen? Okay, keep that up there. Ready? Whoa. Whoa! Look what's happening! It's fizzing over. Do you hear it? Wow. And let's see what happens to the corn. To the corn, friends. Is it bubbling up to the top? And some of them are sinking down. Oh, and then they float back up. Wow. Let's keep watching. Check it out. The bubbles that are created by the reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar are making the corn kernels float up to the top, and then once the gas is released, they slide down to the bottom again, and then they get bubbles again and they float up just like they're on a little elevator. Woo, up and down they go. So when the vinegar and the baking soda mix together, they make a gas called carbon dioxide, and that floats the kernels up to the top, and then it gets out into the air, and then they go down back to the bottom. What do you think's gonna happen if I give it a little stir? Whoa, more bubbles! Look at that. And there's some that went down to the bottom. Let's see if they float up. Whoa. It's almost like the corn kernels are doing a little dance. They're dancing. They're having a little dance party in there. So I wonder how long. I just added some more baking soda to it. I wonder how long our corn kernels will float up and down in our jar. Let's keep watching and find out. Friends, I've been watching this for quite a while now, and they're still going up and down. So I think maybe the corn kernels will go up and down until all the bubbles have fizzled out. Awesome. Okay, friends, I hope you loved that science experiment and had fun doing that with me today. And I hope that maybe you get to do something like that at home too. So fun. I'm glad you were here to join me with that science experiment today. And have a great day, and I'll see you friends next time. Bye.